Hello, and welcome to Digital Nutrients. This is your place to learn real English, step by step, with clear guidance, real examples, and support in your language. In this lesson, don't just watch, speak, repeat, and answer out loud with the following speaker. Now, if you're ready to learn real English and build your confidence, you're in the right place. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
Oh, welcome.
Are you ready for easy English?
My name is Cameron. What is your name?
How are you today?
Very good.
You are learning English step by step.
Now, listen to the lesson, read the transcript, and practice with me.
Great work today. If you practice with us, you're already improving. Now, if this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment of at least one sentence that you learned today. Your comments help me create more lessons for you. So keep going, and we'll see you in the next lesson.